Hi, welcome to another episode of SportFishingYachtSales.com. My name's Mike Simko, and today it's my pleasure to show you a 2007 30-foot Grady White Bimini model. This is a 30-foot center console boat with every imaginable feature and function that's available to Grady's. Let's get right into it. Grady White's 30-foot center console, called the Bimini 306, may well be the finest boat Grady has ever built. And don't think that just because you know Grady's, you know this boat. Totally different from the usual Grady walk-around family fisherman, this 306 Bimini is a hardcore fishing machine. Instead of a bow pulpit, the Bimini 306 has an integral through-hull anchor holder, a strike plate mated to a windlass. The 20-degree transom dead rise increases to a sharp 30-degree in the console area, and then onto a sharp-footed bow. The dead rises, combined with the 10'7" beam, makes the 306 incredibly stable and dry. Note the raised emblems. These are a major upgrade over the standard Grady emblems. Her hull was barrier coated and bottom painted 10 months ago. She's powered by 250 horsepower Yamaha 4-strokes, and the 4 main T-top supports are literally 50% greater in diameter than those of lesser boats. Welcome to the cockpit. Our vessel is powered by twin 250 horsepower Yamaha 4-strokes. They are mounted on an integral transom bracket which is built into the hull. The platform has a telescoping swim ladder and a dive door. On the covering board we have an oversized fish box. And this is a great place for me to mention that every hatch on this vessel is fully gasketed and has a hydraulic ram. There's an integral transom seat, which is very easy to operate. Full bolstering around the entire vessel. We're upgraded with stainless steel cup holders. There are standard 4 Grady embossed rod holders on the covering boards. A shower head for convenience. And here's an upgrade from previous models of the Grady center consoles. This helm area, the helm seating, has molded helm seats. They are now mounted with a nice washdown area with a sink, a viewing window on a very large live well, and this Lexan is molded into the cover. There is a lure holding station, as well as a tackle organizing station. Welcome to the helm area. Here we have Grady's fully functional and ergonomically designed center console with full Yamaha gauges and controls. There's an actuated electronics box. Which houses E120 Raymarine chart plotters. There's a Raymarine ST6000 autopilot, a Kenwood stereo system with surround sound, subwoofers, and speakers in abundance. There are plenty of features that the family and fishermen will like in the console head. Standing upright as possible, there's more than 6 feet of headroom. The compartment also houses plenty of finished stowage, a stainless steel sink, and easy access to the dash wiring and remote seacocks. There's an angler's advantage to this roomy console too. With all the height inside, you can stow a dozen rods in the head and lock them away during the work week. Some notable updates and upgrades include new raw water pump, new freshwater pump, new pump kits on the Yamahas, a new Airmar 1kW transducer, while the previous 600 watt faired-in Airmar is still installed, a new underwater camera, new ICOM 504 VHF, a new Raymarine autopilot rotor reference unit, a new Kenwood main head unit and waterproof remote with Sirius, and new Kenwood marine subwoofer and amp, a new trumpet horn on the hardtop, new fuel tank sending units, new starboard cutting board covering the full fish box lid, and a custom center rigger to match the others.